Is everyone ready to rock the house? Woo! I welcome everyone, our family and friends, our competitors that are here, our special groups from far and near. Thank you. Thank you for being here and supporting our beautiful festival this beautiful early morning. So welcome again, ladies and gentlemen, and we're just about to begin. And before we do so, in any of our Tahitian competition, we need to recognize our judges. Our judges are those who will be telling on each of our contestants that they can come up on stage and do their presentation in their Ori Tahiti. So, no further ado, let's bring on our first judge, ladies and gentlemen. She was born in the Tuamotu Islands of Takaroa. She's danced for legendary Madeline Maua, among other noble Tahitian dance instructor in Tahiti. She also came to Hawaii in 1959. Before statehood was featured Tahitian dancer in Waikiki. She's the judge of many Tahitian competitions throughout here on our beautiful islands of Hawaii, the United States, Mexico, and also in Japan. Ladies and gentlemen, as an instructor also, and now she has retired, in the language of Tahiti, let's bring her on with a big warm round of applause. Our first judge, Roiti Silva! Our next judge comes all the way from the beautiful islands of Tahiti also, but came here to grab his education at the Brigham Young University. His hands are talented. His talented hand has made a lot of instrument or percussion drummings for many groups here on our beautiful islands and also in the United States. He has graduated from BYU, Hawaii. He's a former student dancer. He is known for his master carving, as I was mentioned earlier. And ladies and gentlemen, he is also one of the sponsors of the Mary Mauna Keiki Hula and other PCC dance competition. Our second judge, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Etuaya Tahari. And our last judge has held the Polynesian Cultural Center with Te Mahanahina o Tahiti competition. Is a member of many years ago. She's also a regular judge of the Hawaii Honolulu and the San Jose Tahiti Fete. She's the niece of the legendary Madeline Maua, all the way from Tahiti, who was responsible for reviving the traditional dances of Tahiti. She has traveled all over the world and has been a representative of the Tahitian culture. In 1988, has won the prestigious Miss Tahiti title in the Miss Woman of the World pageant. This is the one I always call her. She is Miss Tahiti, and still today of 2011. Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring on our third judge, Ms. Jean Maua. Now remember, our judges have a big task ahead of them. They will be judging each of our contestants here on stage. They'll be looking at their entrance, their exit, their costume, their presentation, using the different basic steps in dancing the Ori Tahiti, maybe a male or a female. They will also be looking at their costumes that they have on them and more of their presentation on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for